My name is Brian Colopy. I'm the Coordinator of Technology and Information Management at the Warren County School District. I'm a Jedi. We were faced with an aging data center, and we needed to upgrade that hardware as well as implement some new functionality that will allow our students and our teachers to work mobily more successfully. They helped us by taking a look creatively at the technology that was out there and available. We looked at that with our budget and our functionality needs, and we put together a real creative technology solution that allows our teachers and students to operate mobily more successfully. We've been using Citrix for about 12 years, and we use it for everything from app deployment to image deployment, as well as securing our files in our infrastructure. Moving forward, we're going to be implementing the share file technology, which will allow us to take cloud repositories and consolidate them back to our home directories and make those available for our teachers and students on any device, agnostic of operating system or platform. What is my favorite scene from Star Wars? I'm not somebody who has my life together in that order to pick one scene out of all those movies, cartoons, and other things. But we'll say that I really enjoy it.
Well, my little friend, you've got something wrong with you real good. Were you a Packard Bell or...
Help me applications to you, you're my only hope. Help me applications to you.
What's this?
Oh, that's nothing, sir. Merely a malfunction. Old data. Pay it no mind.
Help me applications to you. You're my only hope. Help me applications to you.
Who is she? She's beautiful?
I'm afraid I'm not quite sure, sir. I think she was an IT manager from a nearby company. A person of some importance, sir, I believe.
Is there more to this recording? Where did she go? Bring her back. Play the entire message.
I'm Seth Rankin. I'm the Director of IT, Infrastructure, Architecture, and Delivery for Allegheny Health Network. My core roles and responsibilities are around IT strategy planning, as well as infrastructure, architecture, and delivery. I'd lean more towards the Jedi side, realistically. We ended up finding applications to you through our consulting searching phase. We were looking for a consultant that knew Citrix. We were going through a large enterprise rollout of a 15,000 seat Citrix environment, and we only have VMware View experience in-house. So until we brought our staff up to speed on Citrix, we needed a consultant that actually knew the ins and outs of Citrix. At our company, we're using Citrix for our primary EMR, and actually we're planning on rolling out everything on the Citrix platform. Currently today, we're using Citrix NetScalers, as well as the Citrix Zen app, Zen Desktop, and we're evaluating Zen Client. One of the primary things that we're doing on Citrix is Zen app publishing our primary EMR. We like using Citrix mainly for the fact of ease of rollout. Once we got up to speed with Citrix, it's an easy technology to deploy new applications, as well as ensure our users get the seamless experience. And so one of the primary differences between Citrix and the other solutions we were using is how it works. Why we like to work with applications to you is because honesty. I mean, like the team will give you their honest feedback no matter what. And whether or not we like the news, they give it to us straight so we can actually plan around it and adjust. My favorite Star Wars character is actually Boba Fett.
Use the Force, yes. Now, the mouse, use it. Concentrate.
I'll never fix their IT problems now.
So certain are you. Always with you, it cannot be done. Hear you nothing that I say?
Configuring a PC is one thing. Solving a large organization's IT issues is another.
No different. Only different in your mind. You must unlearn what you have learned.
All right, I'll try.
No, try not. Do or do not. There is no try.
I can't. The problem, it's just too big.
Size matters not. Look at me. Judge me by my size? Do you?
You want the impossible. I don't believe it.
That is why you fail.
My name is Nick Burnetto. I work at Indiana Regional Medical Center. I am a network technician there, and I believe I would be on the light side of the force. What we were looking for is to rebuild our Citrix environment. Coming from a hospital healthcare organization, we have certain needs that aren't normal for, I guess, the rest of the world. One of them was printing. And talking through Citrix, A2U was the group of people to go to that could resolve healthcare issues, and they have done it in the past successfully. So we went with them to rebuild our Citrix for them. Our main product we use with A2U is Citrix. We also use our NetScaler devices, which we are beginning to implement now as load balancers within our organization. Other than the load balancing on them, we're not doing anything with those at the moment. We're mainly Citrix once again. And that would be both for like remote desktops and like virtual desktops on both sides, in-house and externally. What our plan is to convert all of our nursing servers, which is where all the nurses in the hospital go to do their notes and patient information. We want to convert all those into virtual machines so we no longer have to take care of the PCs on the floor, which is where we're kind of working now. Hopefully we'll be done with that sometime in the near future. I think my favorite scene from Star Wars would be where Darth Vader tells Luke that he is his father. Only because in my generation, that's how we found out. The younger generation found out in a movie that was supposed to be before that. So I think that's just very interesting. So I think that makes it my favorite scene.
You are beaten. Do not resist. Come to the dark side. We have too much hardware and completely overworked staff.
I will never join you.
You do not know the power of the dark side. Obi-Wan never told you about your father.
You killed my father.
No, I am your father.
No! Hi, everybody. I'm Dan Dillman, President and CEO of A2U. I want to thank you for coming out. Especially want to thank our sponsors. Without them, this would not be possible. And I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you.